Hey guys, it's Mashala, and today's video is going to be this look right here, this affordable back to school makeup. This is some first day type of look and shit because we already know by the third day we're both going to give up on makeup and we're just going to embrace our ugliness, and that's completely fine. So before we show up in our pajamas and sweatpants, if you want to know how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. First, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This shit costs $6, but it's worth $100 to me. It's so good. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids because we ain't got the time for eyeshadow primer or the money for that. Next, I'm going in with my Zodiac palette from Colourpop and this brush from Sonia Kashuk, and I'm gonna go into the Libra and put that shit all over my eyelid. She is so pretty, oh my god. And then I'm going to go into the Taurus and put that in the crease using circular motions with the same exact brush. This is super simple. Holy shit. Then I'm going to take the same brush and squeeze it so that way it's kind of like a flat top brush, and go with the Taurus again and just put it on my lower lash line just so it looks pretty and stuff. Then I'm going in with the Cancer and putting it on my inner corner of my eyelid and then on the brow bone. And I'm just going to tap it a little bit on the center just for that, extra something. Then I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to kind of do eyeliner because sometimes we ain't got the time for real eyeliner or the skill, because eyeliner is actually really scary, especially when you're doing it on camera, so wish me luck. Then we're going to go in with the Physicians Formula eyeliner. You don't have to do this step, but I just can't live without eyeliner. Like, if I had to pick one thing, it would be eyeliner, especially a winged one, so I'm just adding that. And then I'm curling my eyelashes, and I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara and put that all over my eyelashes. I'm going to give it a few coats, a little less than usual. Instead of the usual 50, I gave it 30. And then going in with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. Okay, if you need anything from the drugstore, just go L'Oreal. It's so good. I'm just going to slightly fill it in and brush it out. And now we're going in with the NYX Angel Veil Primer. She is really good. She's comparable to the Hourglass Primer. Like, she is really, really good, especially if you have oily skin at the end of the day. She'll be there to save you. Then we're going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again. You saw that clip in the beginning. And I'm gonna just conceal all the flaws in my face, so basically like my entire face. So if you ain't got as many flaws, then you're lucky. This step will be a lot quicker for you, but I got pimples and acne scars and under eye bags and just everything that life fucked me over with. We gotta conceal that. Now I'm going in my Coty Airspun powder, and I'm going to take my slightly damp beauty blender. Don't make it too damp or else sometimes it just seeps into the skin and it's kind of weird. So just stamp on the powder until it disappears. You want to go take your time with this step, but you don't have to take too much time. If you don't have the time to damp your beauty blender, just go in with a powder brush and just swipe that shit and leave. Then we're going to stamp it on the under eye. We're not really going to bake, we're just going to put extra powder on the under eye, like a little bit more, and just really sink it into the skin so that way your under eyes don't crease at the end of the day. Now we're going in with this Kabuki brush from Wet n Wild and the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I mean, I would never give enough shits to contour to school, so I would just bronze up the face just because the powder can wash you out a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what face was that. And then I'm going to put it on my forehead, basically the perimeter of my face, the sides of my face, so that way I look a little less pale and deadly and sick because it's school. I'm going to look like that. Now I'm going in with this Total Face brush from e.l.f. and the Burts Bees blush. Holy shit, I love the Burts Bees blush. Oh my god, I like it better than all my high-end blushes. Just get this, just get it. Then I'm going in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's a really good setting spray. And then I'm spritzing it on my face, but we are not done yet. We're going to let it dry a little bit, but still have it damp on the skin. And then right away, we're going to go into our highlighter. I'm going in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm going to put it on the tops of my cheekbones and just blend it out with my fingers because we ain't got the time to actually get a highlighting brush. And I'm going to use my pinky for my nose, and again, going on the sides again, and bam, she is blinding. Holy shit. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to dab it a little bit on my lips, but nothing crazy, and I'm going to wipe it off a little bit because you want a tint, but not too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know if you want more tutorials. I know most people don't fuck with that nowadays. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.